Good day, lovelies, and welcome to day one of our 7 days of soup, wherein we will be laying our foundation by making stock, chicken and turkey stock to be exact. First, some ingredient prep, which is extremely simple. We'll just cut 8 stalks of celery into 2 to 3 inch chunks and quarter 6 medium yellow onions. You don't even need to take the skin off. Just make sure the skins are clean, free of any blemishes. Also adding 2 full heads of garlic. Again, don't even bother to peel them, but the roots of my heads of garlic seemed a little dirty, so I just cut those out and got rid of them. Now onto our very large stock pot, in which we're just going to dump all of our ingredients. Our celery, 2 pounds of baby carrots, and 1/4 cup each of dried marjoram, dried basil, and black peppercorns. We're also adding 6 bay leaves. Now 4 carcasses, or as it were, 2 chicken carcasses and 1 turkey carcass that I cut in half, not forgetting to add the giblets and the neck. Now just adding enough water to cover everything, which turned out to be 6 liters of water for me. That's just a little bit over 1.5 US gallons. Then I remembered I forgot the onions and garlic. So I brought those over, put everybody in the pool. It doesn't really matter what order these go in. Just make sure everything is in the pot and everything is covered with water. Now, lid on, bring to a boil over high heat, and once your stock is boiling, you can go ahead and add some salt. I like to wait until the stock is very hot before I add salt, just to make sure that it properly dissolves. 1 cup of sea salt goes in. Give this a good stir. Make sure that all of that salt is well dissolved. Now we can lid up once again, turn our heat down to medium-low, and allow to simmer for 4 hours, making sure to check and stir every hour. At about the 4th hour, you should see all of that meat pulled away from the bones, and the stock should be a beautiful golden color. Now we're going to strain this broth twice, once through a large vegetable strainer to remove the big chunks, and then through a small metal sieve to remove any smaller pieces. After our stock is cooled, we can pour into the containers of our choice. I'm using a pitcher, and since I'll be using this in the coming weeks, but I assure you this makes a lot of stock, so I'll probably freeze some too. Thanks very much for joining me, and we'll see you next time.